Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you and taking you on a full course on RSI Divergence. I've been having a lot of requests on this strategy from some of my students in the Discord and the Telegram. So here we go, let's get to it. Believe me, this strategy is something you should have in your toolbox, in your arsenal. I literally use it every time. Let's get to it. Now, before we go ahead, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, and comment your views on everything you've learned today. If you have a question, kindly comment down in the comment section. Trust me to reply every one of your question. And if you want to send me a direct message, that's my email right there. You can send that. Let's get to it. All right. First thing you want to do is go to your indicator and search for the RSI, and you see I have it right there already on the screen. So this is it right here, and you want to actually kind of maybe modify the indicator. So what do? You come to the settings right there and leave it normally at the 14 and everything right there, and you just remove the RSI and the upper and all that, and you are good to go. So let's get to it. Now, what everyone wants to know is, first of all, if you want to use this strategy, you don't use it in a ranging market. You don't use it when the market is just ranging like this, ranging, or the market is choppy. You use this strategy in a trend. Make sure that there is a trend. For example, I'm looking at USD JPY, and as you can see, this is a market that has been trending to the downside. As you can see, you've been seeing the lows and highs, highs right there, and that is just what you want to always be looking at. Make sure that the market is in a trend, and you want to counter the trend. For example, let me make it simpler. Here is a trend. Price has been trending down to the downside this way, and you want to price probably made this double bottom here, and you want to counter that trend. Just like that. To the upside. I'll give you so much enlightenment on that on the charts. Let's get to it. So I guess with this little explanation, you understand, but you understand better when we are going to the chart. So today, me and my team and everyone, we took this trade, and as you can see it right there, we took these signals on I sent it to the Discord and my signal room, and we caught the RSI divergence. So let's quickly get to the 15 minutes time frame. That was where I took this position, and it was at this place, this area right here. First of all, I already acknowledged that I am on a trend, and as you can see, price has been trending to the downside right there. And I noticed here why. The first thing is why did I trade here? Why? And that is one thing that I want everybody to understand. Now, you want to first understand that price has been trending this way, and when you see price making that lower lows right there, making that lower lows, making that lower highs, making that lower lows right there, and you want to always check it every time the price is making a lower low to see if if the RSI is doing the complete opposite. Now let me bring up my RSI. Now, looking at this area right here and looking at the RSI right here, let me pull it up a bit so everyone can see it. Oh, sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. So let's get it done. All right. So if you want to, let me pull it up a bit. Oh, good. Now, the RSI is making a complete opposite of what the price is making. That's just the simple explanation. Right there, price is making a lower highs, lower lows right there, and the RSI is making a higher high, something like that. That is what it's called, a divergence. Simple and short. That's just the easiest definition to what RSI divergence is. Now we're going to get into the entry, and we're going to get into your targets and all that. Now if you look closely, price is making a lower low, lower high on the right there, and the RSI is making the complete doing the complete opposite. Looking at this, you see price is making a lower low right there, and on the RSI you see price is making the complete doing the complete opposite right there. As you can see right there, you see right there, price making this lower highs right there. Look at it down there, straight down there. That is the first low, and the second low right there. You see price was making a high on the RSI, while price was making a lower low on these candles up there. So that is, there you have it. That is just what you need for your divergence. Now what is your entry? Let me quickly get this back to normal. All right, good. Now what is your entry? Anytime you see things happen, anytime you are in this kind of a situation, you want to check and see first of all if there's a strong candle countering this. After this divergence happen, and you see, oh, there's a divergence happening right there, you want to wait for strong candles like this, and then you scalp to the upside right there. For example, you take a long in this area, and you probably put your short right there, and that is a 1-to-1 situation right there, and you scalped your way there. That's just easy as that. And if you held, and you see that's price is giving you 50 pips right there, sweet and easy. I think we have another example on I think we caught it on CHF2 today, and this one was also clean. And as I was saying earlier, make sure you want to see that, okay, the price is trending to the downside strongly and nicely, and you are keeping tabs on all the lows right there to make sure that there's a divergence. And if you see at this low right here, you see there's no divergence happening right here. The same thing here, no divergence happening. So you want to be sure, okay, see price making this low, you see right there, down there at the RSI, see price making this low, and this lower low that the price was making, the RSI was making a higher high instead. And you can see it right there. And you can see right there, the price was making a higher high instead. Let me adjust this properly. All right, so the same thing. And but if you see it right here, you see price was making a low right there, and the next candle after this low that happened here, the next candle was a very strong one, particularly a bullish engulfing, and that gave us the aim, just give us the confirmation to go long. And you see our price, boom, that's 72 pips right there. And particularly, normally for me, I would have gotten out at this previous high right here. I maybe taking like 50% or 70%. I like to take like 70-75%, then I leave the rest to run. So this is just the simple explanation of RSI divergence. And also vice versa, if you see this on the sell side and you see a confirmed divergence, you want to see price, that means the candles giving you this kind of a trend right there, something like this nice kind of a trend, and RSI doing the opposite, coming to the downside, and you want to wait for that nice bullish engulfing at this area after you've confirmed the RSI right there. You want to wait for a bullish engulfing or a strong candle pattern right there to the sell side to take your sell positions. That is how easy and straightforward this strategy is. Trust me, you need to practice this strategy. It is very profitable. Till we meet again, till next time, till I come your way again, peace and love. Do not forget to click on that subscribe button, like and comment your views and comment your questions. And that is my email up there if you need to send a personal question that you need or a mentorship. Peace and love.